Okay.
Annyeonghaseyo, Ira.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I am here to interview you because I've noticed on the attendance you already have few absents. Okay, so last Friday you were absent. Anong absent man kapag Friday?
Sayo katog ito te.
Sayo ka nakatog. Okay, so you were absent because you slept early. And then sa karon nga week, itong klase man is buntag. So dili na reason nga ma-absent ka tungod kay sayo ka nakatog. So nganong absent man ka sa karon nga mga class, sa karon nga class?
Okay. Sige mo guglag ka te, hindi ko ka pa panangin ba.
Asa man mo manglakaw?
Laog mo sa ate.
Okay, so laag mo, so you went somewhere and then you didn't tell us ahead of time. So that's why we marked you absent last time. So next time nga manglakaw mo, you let us know kay para ma-excuse ka. Para dili ka ma-mark ka nog absent sa attendance. So sama na nang lakaw mo pero wala ka na nanghid. So netabo na absent ka. So na kay 2 days nga absent. Unya, regarding sa tong absences, pila man to ka absences sa isa ka man ang allowed? 3. So na kay 2 ka absent. So kani nga video, this will serve as our evidence nga gikuan ka na mo, gi-interview ka na mo, giingnan ka na mo unsa may tabo if duha na imong absences. So if mapunan panig usa unsa ganito may tabo? Tangtang na. Okay, so if you commit another absent na sad next time, so I will automatically eliminate you from the study room. So wala na reason, di wala na interview, wala na video. Largo na tika tangtangon kay since na interview naman tika this time. Okay? So next time kung manglakaw magpahibaw daan para dili mabsenan. Okay? Sige. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Junel. Okay, annyeonghaseyo. So kabalo kang anong gipatawag ikaw? Anong nag-take ka ani nga video? Okay. So nag-take ka ani is nanang kay duha ka absent karon nga month. So karon end of the month naman ta karon. So first nga absent reason. Unsay rason nimo ato? Oh, nag-ML. Then today karon. Okay. So next time, sa may buhaton na to next time. Dili na mo absent. So ano lang? Dili na mo absent. 1 strike na lang. Ha? Pero pa naman po ta karon end of the month. So we hope na next month is dili na mo absent. Okay? Are you sure? Sana lang. Dili na mo absent next month. Ha? So if naapagani ka ng oras last pay unya, wa mo may klase, so unya nimo mabuhat ang 1 hour ra ba ato ang klase diri sa study room. Okay, nakasabot? Okay. So, kamsahamnida Junel. So first nimong absent is nag-ML. Second today karon is gipahakot ka. Okay. Gipahakot ka kahon. Sige. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Step 1 has the bounces to change. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Okay, no one. The bounce is the third. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, third. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Next step. The change of the most change of the third. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, third. 1, 2, 3, and 1,
Take a